Hello, welcome back to the Automatic Posting Software YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce to you a feature that automatically interacts and comments on videos on Facebook. I will take an example of any video. First, we will convert the video link to UID. Then go to the viral marketing section, select the post seeding feature, and paste the video's UID here. We can choose some emotions we want. Tick the post comment box here and enter the content we want to comment on right below. Here I have used ChatGPT to think of some comments already. Finally, we just need to click Start, and everything will be operated completely automatically on a large number of Facebook accounts. Let's watch the entire video to see the results. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.